Welcome to our Shandong factory. This is our office area. There is a garden over here and our office is there. The building in blue is our die casting department. The 3 floors building on my right hand is our assembly line. Let's go and take a look. Now we have 3 assembly line here, and 30 workers. First step is to soldering the cable to the LED board. She is plating the thermal silicone onto the aluminum housing for heat dissipation. Then operators need to smevel the solded LED board to the aluminum housing. This is the auto machine for gluing before assemble the optic lens. After finished the whole products, we will do the 100% aging test for all of our products. The final steps are packing. These are our no brand color box. Of course, we can provide customized package too.